So you've gotten a bunch of feedback that has given you an idea of what kind of changes you need to make in your screenplay. It's time to start your rewrite. The first thing to understand about rewriting is that you need to be willing to take the whole thing apart and put it back together again if that's what's needed. Rewriting isn't just superficial changes, like moving around the chairs on the deck of the Titanic. You've got to get down to the core issues in the story and find new solutions for them. And this means you need to go back to the outline of the story and the 3x5 cards again to work with the big picture of the story. This is the best way to deeply challenge yourself to try new things. If you have a typed version of your outline, you can change the margins to 3x5 card size and then just cut them up and paste them onto 3x5 cards. That can be a helpful way to give you the existing structure to start from and then start moving things around and throwing them out and adding new ones. Some people even advocate throwing the cards on the floor and stomping on them as a way to remind yourself that nothing is sacred in this process. You may need to axe a few characters, you may need to add new characters, or just change the existing ones to some other kind of character. Everything is up for grabs. The more you can embrace that idea, the more successful your rewrite will be. Once you've reworked your outline to the point that you're satisfied with it, then you'll begin your second draft. Like the first draft, you're just going to plow through this one too. All the same techniques apply. Then when you're done, you'll need to get more feedback. And this cycle goes on until you get to a point where you're fully satisfied with the screenplay. You've done everything you do, you can't do anything more, and you're done. There are, of course, more tips and tricks to be employing along the way. I'll be talking about those in future videos. Click here to see the next video if it's already been posted. If it hasn't, click here to subscribe so you'll be notified when it is.